this is Natalie here at Mopar Wholesale Parts. So I'm going to show you how it is when you open the tailgate, how slow it drops. It literally lessens the energy you need to drop the tailgate. Here. So see how slow that went versus when you don't have it. Let me show you again. Well, literally no hands. All I do is just push the button and let it drop. See how cool that is? To install the damper shock, you have to remove this clip here. You usually would have to remove this to get these two, but right now I'm holding the tailgate with my body. So to remove these to get behind the taillight is where you install the damper strut. It's not hard to remove, but once removed, you know, you install it, put it back on, and now your tailgate won't drop that crazy. See that? Versus, let me show you over here. This one here could be a little bit dangerous. Oh, yeah, that one. See how hard it dropped? And it's really heavy to lift back up. Let me show you this, how less of energy that I need to just, you know, even push it back up. It's actually really light to push it like, let me show you. Nothing. All right, well, this is Natalie here at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.